What if three Catholic officials had never been thrown from Prague Castle's window in 1618? This single act of defiance by Bohemian Protestant nobles triggered the devastating 30 Years' War, but without this defenestration, the Holy Roman Empire would have remained unified under Catholic Habsburg control. Central Europe would never have been torn apart by religious warfare. 1/3 of the German population wouldn't have perished in the bloodshed that followed. France would never have risen as Europe's dominant power, since it couldn't exploit German weakness through foreign intervention. The balance of European politics would have remained completely different. But here's the most surprising consequence of all. Without this religious war, the modern concept of state sovereignty might never have emerged. The Peace of Westphalia in 1648 established religious tolerance and diplomatic principles we still use today. Europe could have remained under unified Catholic imperial rule for centuries longer. One moment of anger changed the course of human civilization forever.